5.3 feet long and weighs not a very big one. Oh, it's doing it? Taping it?
Yep.
Okay, so what is it? We gotta stop when we're... Okay, yeah, I see.
That's cool. It's actually turning out on here too. You could even put that on your website.
Yeah.
The only problem is they're big videos.
Are they?
Like
oh, you could probably shrink them down. We got that. We got that. Probably throw it on an iPod.
Oh yeah.
Got that software there, Dazzle or whatever.
Like I've got a 2.5-minute video of a paintball tournament game that we took. That's 160 megs.
Wow.
That's good. You host it on.
I just threw it on my website.
And you host it on Facebook and let them do it.
Has this got sound too?
Yep. So everything we're talking will come out.
Oh, that's
We'll
great.
have to get rid of it.
That's perfect.
That's okay. Say your company name.
That's wild, man. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a unique marker. So, how long did it take you to put it back together? Can't do it tonight, eh?
I can put it together. Just
Yeah, you don't have the barrel.
yeah. I don't have the barrel.
Oh, we still got stuff to do, right? Like, there's still this guy to do, right? That should be fairly quick. Well, famous last words, yeah. And there's still...
Now the only other thing, where's the other little piece? Yes. Right, because I thought put that on there, I could get this part on too.
Yeah, I'm just worried about this smashing around the things. That's my biggest fear.
No problem. That's awesome.
Yeah, that did. I'm curious to see what Matt thinks. You know what? I think we should have moved the camera. But I think we had to move it over a bit. Why isn't it? Oh no, that's just the spacing. I see. Yeah, it's the words. Okay. How much more?
A little bit further.
A little bit further. Probably drop it now, eh?
Just a fraction. That's good.
And then we just raised it on the backside of it, right? Or did we? I don't remember.
Yeah, once it gets over
The hump.
there's a little bit of a crest. Like, see where the hole is in
Yeah.
the eye cover?
Yep.
At that eye cover, I say drop it a little bit. Or raise it up a little bit.
Yeah,
Sorry.
raise it up.
I keep thinking drop the laser, but you don't.
Yeah.
You raise the piece.
Yeah. Now all those speckles are in the graphics as well, right?
Speckles.
It's like, you know, if you look at it, it looks like it's all
Like little special pieces.
yeah. It's hard to you don't really see it on this one so much. I guess because this one's really blown up.
I'm happy with it either way. So.
Yeah.
That little Tyra Banks thing.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You guys watch that show, Beauty and the Geek?
No.
No, I haven't seen it.
It's so funny.
Is it? When's it on? Like,
Wednesdays at... I've got Bell Express for you, so
Yeah,
I
that's
can
what we
watch
got.
it at 8, 9, and 10.
right on.
Just on different channels, it's on different times.
You already did your homework.
Stop.
Yeah? Oh, you've got a couple pages left. That's right. Okay,
So
well,
now-
Go ahead. You know what you're doing.
Okay, we're at the eye cover.
Well, come do
Yeah,
it
so
down
something
here
like
then, 'cause
that.
I'm doing something
So you
here.
want to go up a bit?
Another one?
Yeah,
A little bit. Yeah, you want to come up?
just a touch. That's good. This is a big video.
Seriously. Well, it's long. Yeah, I mean, this is, whatever, it was 15 minutes.
It's going to be a 6-minute video, so it's going to be about 500 megs.
Oh, you can stop it when you want. Like, you don't have to grab the whole thing.
Yeah, but still, I like having it because then I can show my friends. I had a bunch of people who wanted to see it. So basically, I'll just load this on my computer.
Yeah, you probably have to format it a bit.
I'll take a bunch of photos of the barrel and everything on,
Yeah,
and I'll
send it.
I'll host them on my website, and I'll email you the link.
Perfect.
That way, I don't have to email like
Yeah.
30 pictures or however many pictures I take of it. I have 20 seconds left. 15, 14,
And then you're out of room, right?
13. Yep, and that's a 512 meg video
Card?
SD card.
Oh, you got an SD on?
4, 3, 2, 1.